We have now built a strong foundation exploring the fundamentals of data-centric AI. Next, let's connect these concepts to real-world applications across different industries. In this section, I'll provide a holistic overview highlighting insightful case studies where AI is creating value. We'll see parallels to how data-driven techniques are enabling these innovations. Then, I'll shift to project engineering perspective. We'll go under the hood to understand how data ops, infrastructure, and development processes power AI success on the ground. Followed by that, the chapter zooms in on one or two use cases relevant to our work. We'll dissect how data-centric AI specifically applies to these scenarios and the tangible benefits it unlocks. By the end of this section, you'll have a concrete understanding of data-centric AI in action. The case studies and engineering insights connect our technical foundations to practical impact. You'll see how a data-first approach allows organizations to deploy AI responsibly, safely, and efficiently. The right data strategy is key to maximizing business and social value. I'm excited to explore these inspirational examples of data-centric AI in the real world with you. One of the biggest real-world roadblocks we see is the domain expertise gap between the data scientists and the subject matter experts. When data is analyzed without understanding its context and origins, that's where mistakes happen. Biases can creep in if sampling isn't representative or societal biases lurk into the data. Garbage in, garbage out is definitely known to all of us. Dirty data like incorrect or inconsistent inputs, missing labels, and formatting issues are rampant in this scenario. This bad data undermines the analysis that we're working on. Technical challenges like sparsity, data duplication, train test data leakage, and data drift also ruin the model performance. The key is collaborating across different teams to ensure that the data we are using truly reflects the problem. Checking assumptions, detecting anomalies, and monitoring data quality over time are essential. With diligence across the machine learning pipeline, we can catch issues early and adapt to the scenario. When data meets business context with empathy, that is where ethical AI flourishes. But without care, bad data breeds frustration and failure. Remember that kicking laptop rarely improves the result. Instead, we must tackle these challenges with rigor and patience. By confronting data issues head-on, we set our projects up for responsible impact. Our shared goal here is leveraging data to improve lives, and that starts with assessing and enhancing the data quality. In the previous chapter, we learned holistically about what data-centric AI is and how it compares with model-centric AI. In this chapter, I wanted to walk you through how data-centric AI applies to real-world use cases. When building data-centric AI pipelines, there are several considerations that you need to keep in mind, right from data ingestion to deployment. In today's rapidly evolving world, data is the lifeblood of innovation. As industries across the spectrum embrace the power of artificial intelligence, the importance of data-centric AI has become evident. In this section, we'll delve into real-world case studies across various sectors, unveiling the profound impact of data-centric AI on industry use cases. This holistic overview demonstrates how prioritizing data quality and reliability drives significant transformations. We'll start with healthcare, where data-centric AI is revolutionizing patient care, diagnostics, and drug discovery by analyzing vast data sets with meticulous attention to data quality. AI systems are improving medical outcomes that we see. From predicting disease outbreaks to personalizing treatment plans, the impact is very clear. Data centric AI is saving lives and enhancing healthcare efficiency as we see it today. Then, we see financial institutions are also leveraging data centric AI to detect fraud, assess credit risks, and optimize investments. With data quality at the forefront, AI models enhance security, minimize risks, and drive financial innovation. The financial landscape is undergoing a transformation and it's fueled by data centric approaches. Even in e-commerce, the e-commerce giants are utilizing data-centric AI to provide personalized product recommendations, optimize inventory management, and enhance customer service. Data-driven insights translate to increased sales and improvised customer satisfaction. The shopping experience is absolutely no longer one size fits all. It is personalized. And why? Thanks to data centric AI that we are able to achieve it.